Every journey begins with curiosity and ends with something we didn't expect to find. I'm Eli Valendes, and today, let's visit two of Manila's oldest worlds, Binondo and Intramuros. Two places that have watched this city grow, fall, and rise again. Each time, a little different. Papagamit kasi mamaya para magaan yung dalawa.
Oo, ganun siya.
Right now, we are here in the city of Manila. We will be exploring Manila City. First is the Manila Checkpoint, one of the oldest checkpoints in the world. Then later, we will be going to Intramuros. And for this escapade, we'll be using our new lens, Pocket Dispo, for a different feel ng film shots. So, tingnan natin kung maganda.
Bagay yung
Stick. Kaya ko din siya pinush. Okay.
oh, picture na. Picture.
Sa walking. Kasi ito ang capture parang bed na siya. Record. Welcome to Binondo, Manila. Finally, we're here for photo walk and food crawl. Let's see what memory looks like when you let it go out of focus.
Yung chocolate na
It's been years since I last came here, and yet, the moment I step back into Binondo, it feels like home to a part of me I didn't know I missed. Ito yung sikat na restaurant na mo.
Daming tao, ano?
Mamaya, sobrang haba. everyone, welcome to Binondo. And we are here at Chongqing. This is one of the most famous restaurants here in Binondo area. Haba ng pila. Mamaya tayo dito. Tibot muna tayo. Bangka ka. In the oldest Chinatown in the whole wide world. Founded in 1594, long before the term Manila even meant the capital we know today. It was the Spanish who built this district. It was the Chinese who gave it life. Back then, most Chinese migrants from Southeast were only allowed to trade across the river from intramuros. They weren't trusted by the colonizers, but they became essential to them, trading silk, porcelain, and the spices that colored Spanish Manila staples. And from trade came rules. They intermarried with locals, gave birth to the mestizo Bisangli community, and built what would become the heart of the Chinese-Filipino identity. Every bite here carries history. It's not just fusion cuisine. It's centuries of migration, memory, and resilience. Welcome to Binondo. So we are finally here at the corner of Bean and Salazar with our food vlog.
Ito masarap tayo.
Gusto mo ito?
Meron. Saan pa kanya?
Putik na yung dala. So, ano to?
Sopo.
How was that? Kumusta yung food mo?
Ay, mararap.
What's that?
Take a bite. O, diba, vlogger?
Ano yan?
Shaolong Pao.
Shaolong Pao.
They are different.
How much?
100? Nakalimutan ko na kung magkano.
Parang 50.
50?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
50 pesos.
Sarap.
Nanghihingi ng food. Barbecue sausage. Tikman natin. Sarap. Must be the sauce. Sarap. And this area actually corner of Dongpin and Salazar. There are a lot of street food in here that you can try. And then we also have the sugar cane that we bought from the corner. How much is the sugar cane? 100. This is 100 pesos. It's too expensive. No. It's actually not too expensive. Just right. Because when you buy something like this and some coffee shop, it's gonna be around 160 pesos. Big two.
Ito pala ako, sa sakit na ulo mo, di mo alam kung saan mo lalagay yung kotse sa sakit.
So it's best talaga to commute. Or, magpa-park ka sa malayo.
Kaya
Wongki Asado Pao or Bolo Bolo or Chisna. I don't know, but it's for 100 pesos. So, ayan, tikman natin. Asado Pao. This is a toasted siopaw. Pinoy is actually popular for this. Mabait.
dahil malapit na first month, ano pa yung bad design? Sige, 3 for 100. Ate, hay ka doon, no?
Magkano nabibenta niya every day?
Ano po, 35 lang to, isang lahat. Everyday.
Araw-araw, ilan yung nabibenta niya? Ilang pesos? Kuya! Hi! Okay, di ba?
Ano lang po? Minsan ano,
Ha?
900.
300.
900.
900. Oh, laki ah. Okay na din. Minsan wala. Maraming tao dito, maraming bibili. Alokin nyo lahat.
Maraming karaban.
Ah, marami rin kalaban. Kasi kuya, beta na si kuya.
Mingi ako na extra.
Ah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy. What's that?
At nakalimutan ko, pero parang siomay siya.
Ah, Xiaolong Bao. Fried Xiaolong Bao.
Fried siomay.
Tama sir? Sarap.
Diba? Sarap. 10 out of 10.
May ratings pa nga. Kaming tao doon. Edit tayo sa isang kanto. Para wala tayong sama. So, 7 out of 10. Kasi kami yung kulay. Wala yun. Sarap siya. I love the sugar cane. Pero maganda kung meron siyang twist of lemon.
My God!
Nakabili na kami.
Kapili na, inauna.
Nakabili na kami. Pang Starbucks siya. Nakabili na kami. Di ba?
Oo, nakabili na kami, inaunahan na kayo.
Yung samyupsal. Vlog ko niya nung kayo sa vlog.
Pakilala ka.
My name is Prince Edmar Castero sa umaga. Princess sa gabi.
Ah, di ba? Anong motto mo? Anong motto? Introduce, di ba gano'n yung mga introduction? I believe. Gano'n.
Yung kaliya po.
Nahiya na.
This is Xiaolong Pao. Tingnan natin. 7 out of 10. Iba yung hinahanap kong lasa. Feeling ko, makikita natin yung summer over there. Medyo na-surprise ako na ganun yung lasa. Nakamali ako na mapili. Muli na expectation.
Kanay ko lang ah. Kumagat ka muna.
Everybody know about it. Everybody hard on it. Climbing up the whole mountain. Anything you want. You could be the whole villain. Build it like a beginning. Spit it like you're Bob Dylan. Anything you want. Everybody say. Everybody say. Steps you claim in the show when you love it. Yeah, you love it. Super fly, you're breaking the mold. They don't want the gas, they don't want the smoke, but they love it. Yeah, they love it. Everybody know about it. Everybody hard on it. Coming up the whole mountain. Anything you want. Everybody say what? You can be the whole villain. Build it like a beginning. Spin it like you're Bob Dylan. Anything you want. Everybody say. I can feel the energy flowing, it's running through me, exploding, and when the party gets going, I feel it in my veins. Rocket ship going, a gun like it, my heart is beating, if I think I get a taste of this magic, I'm like a tidal wave. I'm like a tidal wave. Everybody say. Everybody say. Everybody say.
This is Mini Maho Roll. Hindi pa rin nakakain dun sa...
Ha?
Hindi pa rin nakakain dun sa mga Pilipino.
Oo nga, di ba?
Pumasok kasi ako sa ano dito, yung museum ng Binondo.
Binondo isn't just Manila's food haven. It's the country's living archive of Filipino-Chinese culture. This was once the trading center of the East, where silver from Mexico was exchanged for silk from China, and the Manila galleons made the world smaller. If Manila were a body, Binondo would be its heartbeat. Steady, noisy, and full of stories. Maybe that's what draws me back here. Not just the food, but the feeling of being part of something much older than myself. In a city that keeps rebuilding itself, Binondo stays the same. Not because it resists change, but because it knows who it is. From the chaos of Chinatown, let's proceed to Manila's quiet heart, Intramuros, the walled city. If Binondo tells Manila's story of trade and migration, Intramuros tells the story of conquest and memory. Hi everyone! So, konting pahinga lang before we explore Intramuros. Nawala yung kape. Bago explore Intramuros.